Hi guys, I'm Esther from Eslashes, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to apply pre-made fans. So if you've applied lash extensions before, classic lashes, you might be wondering how to apply pre-made fans, and if you've played around with them you might be looking just for some tips and tricks to make it a little bit easier. So applying pre-made fans is so easy if you already know how to apply classic lashes, so I'm really excited to show you guys how I apply pre-made fans in this video. So first I'm just going to quickly show how we apply a pre-made fan just in a 1, 2, 3, 4 kind of a scenario so that you can quickly get a little bit of preview, and then we're going to get into the details. So the first thing we want to talk about is how to pick up pre-made fans properly. So you don't want to pick them up from the top first. When you have the sharp base ones like this, you want to actually pick them up from the base first and then pick them up from the top. So sometimes what I'll do is I'll go through to save a little time, pick up all those bases so that they're kind of loose but still on there, and then I can pick them up from the top. They're all in a row, they're really easy to access. Then once you have a hold of your pre-made fan, you're going to apply it as you would a classic lash, so either on top of or underneath the natural lash, just depending on the client's lashes and the lash layers and everything like that. You want to make sure you're getting that seamless bond between the natural lash and the pre-made fan. With the sharp base pre-made fans, you have, that whole base to work with, so you should be able to get a really good adhesion between the two. Now, when you're dipping a pre-made fan, one thing is you want to make sure you're not getting too little glue. Of course, you don't want a glue drop or blob or whatever you want to call it or a glue bead on your lash extension, but you want to make sure you actually have enough glue so that it can stick. So keep that in mind when you're dipping your pre-made fans in glue, is you want to make sure you are getting enough glue. So you can actually hold it in the glue drop for a few seconds to make sure that just the base of that pre-made fan is sort of well saturated in the glue without having a glue bead on the lash extension. Now here's picking up a 10D fan. So I'm going to of course pick up from the base. Now when I'm going to pick up a wider fan from the top, sometimes you have to make sure you're really getting it in the sweet spot. So make sure if you have to pick it up a couple times, that's fine, so that you have a really good solid grip on the top of the fan without bending it. So don't press too hard or you can bend the lashes. Now one more thing with the pre-made fans, let's say for example you're using 10Ds, don't be afraid in the inner and outer corners to use some 3Ds, 4Ds, some smaller fans. If needed, they can be combined together. Thank you so much for watching this video on pre-made fans. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you liked this video and you want to see more videos on lash extension application, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button below.